Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about introduction to digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad domain. So in order to proceed further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akit Jain and I've been in digital marketing since past 5 years, and I have seen the growth of digital marketing as an industry or as a domain. So why people are so much interested in digital marketing? Because it gives the business owners its they can measure their efforts in digital marketing as compared to traditional marketing. So without further delay, let's start the digital marketing. So what is digital marketing actually mean? It's an online marketing. It is also referred as online marketing. Internet marketing or online marketing refers to the promotion of goods and services on the internet. The online world acts as a medium to communicate messages that a business drafts to its audience. Let's talk if I am having a business and I have a product which I want to promote to my customers. So before we dive into digital marketing, I would like to guide you on traditional marketing, how we were doing traditional marketing. So earlier days, we used to print our advertisement on billboards, and we used to reach out to the marketing agencies to market our products. And there was a rough estimate of how much your ad will appear, how much people will observe your ads. But there was not an exact number, that the true number that the marketing agencies would provide. So with the evolution of time, digital marketing came into our lives, and it has changed the business prospect. Like if you want to increase your business, you have to incorporate digital marketing into your business. So uh, online marketing is also synonymous to online advertisement. Yes, if you do digital marketing, it's a part, online advertisement is a part of marketing wherein we pay for promotion of our products and service. So in further video, we'll talk about what exactly is inside the digital marketing. So let's look into what's inside actually in digital marketing, why it's growing so much. So for the first point that I want to talk about is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, the SEO, is the free form of marketing wherein you don't have to pay any money to promote your products. But as the time passes, there is a very tough competition on SEO, as many businesses want to grow their business using SEO, as we know it is free. Search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is a paid form of marketing done on various platforms such as Google, or Microsoft Bing. These are the different search engines where we run advertisement on the search engine so that our products get on top of the search engine platform, and hence it appears to the end consumers. Email marketing. Now let's talk about email marketing. After we had done search engine marketing and everything, we had generated the leads. Now it's time to provide value to the leads, to the people who have shown your interest in your business. So there comes email marketing. Email marketing is nothing but uh, an email. You are sending your offers and promotion to the end consumer who has already shown interest in your products. So, email marketing is very simple, but there are some do's and don'ts that we need to take care while doing email marketing, as you have to pay equal attention to what you are drafting, like you have to proofread about what exactly you are typing and what is the end result you are expecting from that email marketing effort. So in the further video, I'm going to break down email marketing further. Like I what exactly is inside the email marketing. Social media marketing, again we know Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, all these are social media platforms through which we can promote our products to the end consumer. So by promoting our products to end consumer, I mean we can get more efficient sales and it can increase the revenue in our business. Social media marketing is very, very vast because it is an important social media has become an important part of each and every human being. It is a part of human being's life today. So that's why many businesses are running behind social media marketing, like advertising on social media platforms, providing content in the form of promotion, promoting their products. So this is what it is social media marketing. In the further part of this video, we will cover social media marketing. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is nothing but some other person is promoting the products of the organization or the company or the brand to get the sales and equally to get paid for the conversion that's happening through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, in order to simplify this, I will suggest an example like there is a person called as A, Mr. A, who is an affiliate partner with ABC Limited, and he is promoting the products and service of ABC Limited. So when he sells that service to the end consumers, like those who are interested in, let's say, mobile phones, so they will purchase that mobile phone through affiliate marketing. Like he will convince them. It's a more of a selling kind of a thing. Like we have a sales manager in our organizations, so it's kind of an sales that the person is doing. And when the other person that buys the product, the affiliate marketer who has referred to the product gets the commission out of it. So that's what is affiliate marketing. So now let's look into search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is nothing but you are using the keywords which eventually ranks your website, your web page to the top. But in today's world, there is huge competition. All the websites are doing SEO, so it has become a very tough competition. But we can also create our own. It's all about creating authority on search engine. Like as you can see, there are some box which shows GoDaddy, web hosting, and these are the keywords that the website GoDaddy is using. So this is all about search engine optimization. As I already told, search engine optimization doesn't require any amount of money. So it's a free form of marketing. So that's why all the businesses are focusing more on search engine optimization. And there are various tools and techniques through which we can do SEO even today. We can rank our website even today. Now let's talk about search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is nothing but you are promoting your products or you are promoting your business by paying a particular amount. So let's look into the image. So in the Google, I have typed GoDaddy hosting. So it will list the on top of the search result, you will find that AD, the yellow mark is for advertisement. And on the right hand side also, Google Web Hosting, Django hosting in Europe. These all are the advertisement that is running on the Google search page. So this is all about search engine marketing. Email marketing. Now let's dive into more insight into email marketing. What exactly is email marketing? Email marketing, as I already told, is about providing value, is about giving offers and promotion that a business has for his customers. Those have shown interest in the business. So let's now little bit more focus on the what are the important points of email marketing. So number one, subject line of the email. Subject line of the email should be very precise as it should address the click to action of the person reading the email. So as you can see, shop and save 25% X on us. So what does that mean? They are saying that 25% is a straight off on the products or catalog that they are offering on every new purchase. So as in the inside email, you can see uh, shop our entire catalog today and save 25% on new purchases. So this is what is the email campaign that GoDaddy is running. So now let's look into social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Advertising on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and various other social media platforms, even LinkedIn. But it depends on what is your marketing objective. It is very important to understand the marketing objective because if your objectives are not clearly defined, then it will create a big problem. You will not get the end result that you are expecting. So let's dive into the example, the photo that I have attached. So there is a company who is running an ad on Facebook. As you can see, the sponsored one written over here. So this is nothing but they are paying for the advertisement, the for marketing. As this is the description of ad, it is easier than ever to earn staking rewards on Binance. Low stacking minimum, high reward, get started in minutes. So this is their description which they use to for the advertisement purpose. And on below side, you can see the download button so that you can download the app of Binance. So this is all about social media marketing. But before making the social media ad, there is a vast, a lengthy process behind it, behind creating the ad. Like you have to create the ad creative, that is this video, and not only that, you have to first of all define the interest of people. Since it's a finance company, so those who are interested in finance, stock market, or stock market investment, they will look into this ad. So this is how Facebook or Instagram or we can say broadly social media marketing works. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nothing but some other person is interested in promoting your products so that he can get commission. As you can see on the screen, residual payout on 33% recurring commission. That means on every single purchase, the 33% of the amount that a customer has paid to the get response, the 33% amount will be paid to the affiliate marketer. So this is all about affiliate marketing. And there is a huge benefit of affiliate marketing. Like in today's world, there is another marketing technique that is influencer marketing. What does that mean? There are different people who are providing value in social media in the form of educating people, talking about the products and service in in an indirect manner. So that comes under indirect marketing. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much.